Hi, I'm Tom. Some people say I may have ADHD, and maybe I should go and see a doctor, and they give me the pills, and, I can focus better on one thing at a time, but who says being able to do 10, 15, 20 different things throughout the day is a bad thing? I mean, when I was in school, I got a lot done, okay? Man, why can't I put things where they go? I should probably just put the soap in the shower, but, day-to-day life is interesting. Sometimes everything works out perfectly. Most days it's a struggle. But who knew being an adult was this difficult? I didn't. Nobody told me that being an adult was this difficult. But I used to get in trouble a lot as a kid for being unorganized and talking in class a lot. I was always trying to make new friends, and everything was so much fun because, if you're not having fun, then what kind of life are you living? But, I always stayed positive no matter how much trouble I was in, and everything was pretty good. Ooh, cold showers are the worst. Have you ever taken a cold shower? I don't, that's for sure. I came across an article the other day where it said that you get blood clots from taking cold showers. Is that true? I'm gonna have to Google that. But I think today's gonna be a good day because no matter what obstacles come, I'll make it through. And that's what matters. Ooh, I wonder if we have eggs and bacon. Ooh, and coffee? God, that sounds so good. Anyway, you gotta keep moving forward. You gotta push through all of the hardships in life, and you just gotta keep on going, That's one of the most important things. I heard once that an idle mind is the devil's workshop, and my mind is never idle. It's pretty great. Remember this, no matter what, you've got to keep moving forward. Be resilient, because resilience is key. Yum! Haha, bacon and eggs. I told you I like bacon and eggs. Anyway, see, we made it through all kinds of problems this morning because we kept pushing forward. We were resilient and we didn't stop. And as long as you just keep moving forward and keep going through all of the problems throughout the day, you will make it until you die. And then once you die, like, that's a problem, right? You can't be resilient once you die. But anyway, we've got a lot of time left throughout the day, so other things could go wrong, that's for sure. Yeah, I can't talk right now. I'm in the middle of recording. Okay, I'll call you back later. Thanks, bye. Okay, so anyway, I looked up whether you get blood clots from taking cold showers, and let me tell you, I think it's fake, okay, but it could be real. So just avoid taking cold showers altogether, all right? Stick to warm showers because we're warm-blooded. We're not lizards, okay? And the biggest thing here is that if you run into cold water, just run away. Go build a fire and survive, okay? Because if you die of hypothermia or blood clots, then, that's not good. Look, if you die, you cannot be resilient.